Guys, what's going on? Thank you for tuning into my channel, Mini Movement Man. On this video, we're going to talk about defensive running. If you've been watching my channel, you know that I run to help condition my body for singing. I also run just because I love to do it and it makes me feel good. Whatever reason it is that you run, the most important thing is to always be safe. Let's face it, we're in a day and age where people aren't always aware of their surroundings and they're looking at their phones rather than looking at the road. So I decided to make this video in the hills where I live, where there's no sidewalks, there's a lot of turns on the road, and cars can be zooming by you at any second. So I'm gonna share with you a few strategies that'll help keep you on the defensive side while you're running, and it will hopefully keep you safe so you can enjoy your run. Tip number 1, always keep your head on a swivel. Now, I know when we think about running, we're really concerned about staying in a cadence and being in proper form, but to me, safety comes first, especially when you're running in this type of area. You want to make sure at all times, if you feel a car, if you hear a car, if you sense a car, look, turn around, break your stride. Tip number 2, don't be afraid to run off the road. Now, I know we all don't live in perfect neighborhoods with sidewalks, making it very easy to get in a nice, safe run. When you're running, make sure you're surveying the area constantly, seeing if there's areas that you can run into in case a car decides to swerve at you. You never know, it can happen in a split second, and you need to be ready to do what you have to do to get out of the way. And tip number 3, make yourself visible. This one is personally my favorite. Anytime a car passes by, you need to make sure that you make yourself visible. Flare your arms up in the air, look at the driver in the eye, and make sure that they see you. If you know that the driver in the car sees you, you're going to have a lot better chance staying safe and avoiding injury. Make yourself as big as you can, and remember, run safe and be aware. I hope this will keep you safe the next time that you go out for your run. Enjoy the beautiful view, have a great day, and as always, move well. This is Mini Movement Man saying, peace.